Imagine waking up to the smell of yummy waffles on a Sunday morning. Doesn't that sound perfect? But making waffles at home can be tough when everyone is rushing, right? Well, not anymore. Say hello to your new best friend in the kitchen, the InstaCuppa Mini Waffle Maker. It's a big help for moms and makes yummy food for everyone. It's super easy to use. Pour in the batter, close the lid, and in a few minutes you have got the yummy waffles. Easy peasy. And just like that, breakfast is ready. Warm, crispy waffles that makes everyone's tummy happy. Less time cooking means more fun breakfast time with your kids. All thanks to the InstaCuppa Mini Waffle Maker. Change the way you make breakfast, save time, and make super yummy food with the InstaCuppa Mini Waffle Maker. Get your InstaCuppa Mini Waffle Maker today.